Yes, my name's HG, and I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I just am here giving a personal report on my tremendous belief in the ProAdjuster and Dr. Khayal and his staff here at Premier Health Clinic. I started coming 4 years ago. Was recommended by a friend of mine who's one of these IFL fighters, and he told me how successful he was feeling. And I've been going to many chiropractors for years trying to for manual adjustments, and was having to get adjusted all the time, and periodically would go into a full pinched nerve state, and they were recommending my L3 and L5 to be operated on, and I just wanted to check out all alternatives, prior to doing that. And fortunately, I heard about Premier and Dr. Khayal and the ProAdjuster. After the initial treatments with him, I do my checkups. Normally now only an annual now. It's been almost 4 years, and for last 2 years all I've had is just my annual, as opposed to anywhere from 2 to sometimes 6 times a month on a regular manual adjustment. Quite a change, and I feel so much better, and it's really attributed a lot to total changes in lifestyle for me. And now my mother, who's 93, she comes, she really enjoys it. She feels better, if she can say, even at 93, and I've recommended many other people, and every one of them has been very satisfied. And I think more than the equipment is just the personal care that Dr. Khayal gives, and you sense that in talking to him, and his concern and his true motivation to make us all feel better and have a better quality of life.